This is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 12. Read the objective with me while I read it out loud. I can multiply a decimal fraction by a single-digit whole number, including using estimation to confirm the placement of the decimal point. So we're going to start with our fluency. Our fluency is going to be a sprint with adding decimals. As soon as we're done with the sprint, we're going to go to finding the product. Then we're going to go straight into our application problem. 32 cyclists make a 7-day trip. Each cyclist requires 8.33 kilograms of food for the entire trip. If each cyclist wants to eat an equal amount of food each day, how many kilograms of food will the group be carrying at the end of day 5? So, go ahead and get out your sprint. Put your pencil up as soon as you have your sprint open. All right, 1, 2, ready, go. All right, 4, 4.5, 4.52, 0.4, 0.47, 5.47, 0.04, 0.84, 2.84, 40, 42, 42.5, 42.58, 41.789, 5, 5.6, 5.62, 5.628, 4.728, 4.638, 4.629, 27.148, 5.1, 5.8, 5.83, 5.836, 6.736, 5.746. Anybody get farther than me? Really? Okay. What did you get for 29?
I got 5.737.
Nice. Keep going.
6.218.
Good. Keep going.
3.01.
Nice. Any more?
3.51. And then 3.59.
Excellent job. Part of your homework is to go through and finish what you did not finish up, because it's just good practice. All right, turning over to the next side. All right, side B. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, 3, 3.5, 3.53, 0.3, 0.37, 5.37, 0.03, 0.83, 4.83, 30, 33, 33.5, 33.58, 31.789, 4, 4.6, 4.62, 4.628, 3.728, 3.638, 3.629, 37.148, 41, 4.8, 4.83, 4.836, 5.36, 5.736, 4.746, 4.737. Anyone get farther? No? Okay. All right, now we're moving back to our fluency. You are going to put this in unit form. How many ones? How many tenths? How many hundredths, right? That's unit form, correct? You're going to tell me the units. This is 8 how many's? 8 ones, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's what it means by unit form. Then our application problem. Remember, if you don't try it, you're never going to be able to take that first step on a test. So you have to try to take a first step and then try to take a second step, right? That's the only way. Even if you make a mistake, no big deal. We go over it anyway. So you're not going to lose by trying. So go ahead and keep going. Go ahead and begin. So debriefing on our finding the product. 8 ones, 8 tenths, 8 hundredths, 15 ones, 15 tenths, 15 hundredths, 9 hundredths, 69 hundredths, 2800. All right. So application problem. So we're talking about a 7-day trip and 32 cyclists. So we have 32 cyclists, a 7-day trip, and there is each cyclist requires 8.33 kilograms of food each day. So how much, our first question is, how many kilograms of food will the group be carrying? Oh, wait. If each cyclist wants to eat an equal amount of food, anytime you see this, an equal amount, you're most likely going to be dividing an equal amount. We're spreading it out, right? Each day. So we're going to take 8.33 and divide by 7 days. So each person's going to eat 1.19 kilograms of food each day in order for the food to last all 7 days. Question 2. How many kilograms of food will the group be carrying at the end of day 5? So if we have day 5, day 6, day 7, so we know each they're going to have 1.9, 1.9, 1.9, but it's at the end of day 5. So we're not going to count day 5. So you can either add it or you can multiply it. So 2.38 kilograms of food they're going to be carrying. But don't forget, you have to figure out, you have to multiply that by 32 cyclists in order to get 76.16 kilograms for the group. They're going to have that much left that they're going to be carrying at the end of day 5. So day 6 and day 7, day 6, they're going to start out with 76.16 kilograms for the group. So if there's something here that you didn't get, now's the time to fill this in, because there are 3 parts to this question. Part 1, dividing it equally to get how much they're going to eat, each person's going to eat each day, how much they're going to have, they're going to be carrying at the end of day 5, so it's just day 6 and day 7, multiplying it by 2. Step 3, you have to take that 2.38 kilograms and multiply it by 32 cyclists, and you end up with 76.16 kilograms for the group. Okay? All right. Make sense? All right. So that ends our fluency. So we're going to start concept development.